Ever feel overwhelmed by your possessions? Do you long for a sense of peace in your home? Clutter can weigh heavily on our minds. It steals our focus and serenity. Welcome to Minimal Earth Life. In this video, we know how to create a calm and simple space. Mindful living is about being present. It's about immersing ourselves in the moment, fully experiencing the here and now without distractions. This practice encourages us to slow down and savor the simple pleasures that life offers. Whether it's the sound of birds chirping in the morning, the feel of a gentle breeze on our skin, or the taste of a freshly brewed cup of tea, these small moments can bring immense joy and tranquility. By focusing on the present, we can reduce stress and anxiety, and cultivate a deeper sense of peace and contentment. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. But taking a step back to breathe and appreciate the simplicity around us can be incredibly grounding. The constant rush and noise can overwhelm our senses, making it difficult to find a moment of calm. However, by intentionally creating space for stillness and simplicity in our lives, we can reconnect with ourselves and our surroundings. This might mean decluttering our living spaces, setting aside time for quiet reflection, or simply being mindful of our daily routines. It's about appreciating what we have. When we take the time to notice the little things, like the warmth of the sun streaming through a window, or the comfort of a well-loved chair, we begin to see the beauty in the ordinary. These moments of appreciation can transform our perspective, helping us to feel more grateful and content. By embracing simplicity, we can find a sense of peace that is often elusive in our busy lives. It's a reminder that true happiness doesn't come from external achievements or possessions, but from within. Imagine Sarah drowning in a sea of clothes she never wears. Each morning she stands in front of her closet, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of items. She sifts through hangers, pulling out garments she hasn't touched in years, yet she can't seem to let go. The closet, once a place of organization, has become a source of daily stress. The sheer number of choices paralyzes her, making it difficult to decide what to wear. This daily ritual of indecision and frustration sets a negative tone for her entire day. Sarah's closet is a microcosm of a larger issue many of us face, being trapped by our possessions. It's not just about clothes, it's about the countless items we accumulate over time. These possessions, which we once thought would bring us joy, now weigh us down. They occupy physical space in our homes and mental space in our minds. The more we have, the more we feel the need to manage, organize, and maintain. Or John, constantly searching for his keys amidst piles of paper. His mornings are a frantic scramble. He digs through stacks of mail, old receipts, and random knickknacks, hoping to find his keys before he's late for work. This daily chaos not only wastes time, but also adds to his stress levels. The clutter in his home mirrors the clutter in his mind, making it hard for him to focus and be productive. Clutter creates stress, anxiety, and a sense of being out of control. It's not just about the physical mess, it's about the mental burden that comes with it. When our living spaces are cluttered, our minds feel cluttered too. We become less efficient, more irritable, and our overall well-being suffers. The constant visual reminder of unfinished tasks and disorganization can lead to feelings of guilt and overwhelm. It's a vicious cycle that affects our mental health, relationships, and quality of life. By addressing the clutter, we can create a more peaceful and harmonious environment, both physically and mentally. The KonMari method trademark encourages keeping items that spark joy. Hold each item. Does it bring happiness? If not, thank it for its service and let it go. This act of gratitude is a cornerstone of the KonMari method trademark. By acknowledging the role each item has played in your life, you honor its existence and the memories associated with it. Imagine waking up in a clean, organized room. Sunlight streams through the window. You feel calm, focused, ready to face the day. Decluttering creates space, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. A clutter-free life is a more mindful life. We appreciate what we already have. We make conscious choices about what enters our homes. We find joy in simplicity and peace. Start small. Choose one drawer, one shelf. Experience the joy of letting go. Share your story. Begin with a single step and feel the weight lift off your shoulders as you declutter. Each item you release is a step towards a more mindful and peaceful life. Imagine the freedom of a space that truly reflects your inner calm. Together, we can create a world with less clutter and more mindfulness. Picture a community where everyone is committed to living with intention and simplicity. By sharing our journeys, we inspire others to take their first steps towards a clutter-free life. It's not just about physical space, it's about mental clarity and emotional well-being. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Stay conscious, stay inspired. Remember, every small action counts. Your journey to mindfulness can start today, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's make this journey together, one drawer at a time.